Okay, this is factoring general quadratic trinomials when a is greater than 1. So let's factor 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. So the general form ng ating quadratic trinomials ay a x squared plus bx plus c. So kunin natin yung value ng a, that is equal to 8. This is greater than 1, di ba? So yung b natin is positive 2. Ayan, then si C ay equal to negative 3. Okay? So, let's use or let's apply the asterisk method. Ay, wala na entry isa. Ito na lang. Ayan. Asterisk method. Okay? So, ayan. Kulang pa pala. So, dito, lagyan natin AC, yung product ng AC. Ito yung value ng A. Value ng A. First factor or factor 1. Second factor or factor 2. So, dito naman, ang value ng B. Okay? So, kunin natin yung value ng AC or product ng AC. Value ng A, value ng A, at saka value ng B. Si AC, yung product niya, AC. A times C, di ba? So, A is 8, C is negative 3. So, therefore, this is negative 24. So, lagyan natin dito, yung AC natin is negative 24. Then, yung A is 8. Okay? Dito naman, 8 din yan. So, yung first factor, hindi pa natin alam, at saka yung second factor. Yung B natin, alam natin yan, kasi nandyan sa given. So, 2. Okay. Ngayon, so hanap tayo ng mga possible factors of negative 24 na ang kanyang sum ay positive 2. Kaya possible factors muna tayo sa negative 24. Factors of negative 24. Then yung sum niya dapat ay positive 2. So what are the factors of negative 24? Reading 2 times negative 12, okay, equals negative 24. Negative 2 times 12, that is negative 24. Ano pa? 21 times 20, negative 1 times 24 is negative 24. Negative 24 times 1 is also negative 24. Ano pa ba? 6. Okay, so 6 times negative 4 equals negative 24. Negative 6 times negative 4, ay no, positive 4 na. Okay, equals negative 4 pa rin yan. Okay, so ito lang yata. Ngayon, i-add natin yan para makuha natin or makita natin yung hinahanap natin na 2. Si 2 plus negative 12, that is negative 10. Okay? Negative 2 plus positive 12, that is positive 10. 1 plus 24 or positive 24, that is positive 23. Negative 24 plus 1, that is negative 23. Positive 6 plus negative 4, that is positive 2. Ayan na. Okay, then negative 6 plus 4, this is negative 2. So, hinahanap natin, yung product is negative 24, tama yan lahat. Then yung sum niya dapat ay positive 2. Ayan. Okay, so yung first factor natin is 6. Lagay natin dyan, 6. Second factor natin is negative 4. Okay, nakuha? Ngayon, i-reduce to lowest term natin kung ma-reduce siya. Kung hindi na, huwag na natin pilitin. Okay, ma-reduce yan. Yan. So, we will divide 8 by 2. Kasi dapat kung ano yung i-divide mo sa 8, yun din kay 6. So, 2 ang i-divide natin dyan. So, that is 4. Dito rin kay 6, divide natin by 2. That is 3. Okay? Ito yung kukunin natin mamaya. Dito naman, divide din natin to by 4. Okay? So, that is 2. Divide din natin 2 by 4. That is negative 1. Okay? Yung kukunin natin mamaya. So ngayon, kunin natin yung factors natin. Yung hinahanap natin. Okay? So first is 4. Tapos x. Huwag mong kalimutan si x mo na manloloko. Ayan. Then, plus 3. Plus 3. Okay? Dito rin sa kabila, 2. At huwag kalimutan si x. Then, minus 1. Minus 1. Okay? So, this is your factored form ng ating 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. Bye-bye. Next.